get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go ba-do, boot up, dee-dee-da-do, boot up, and my heart go ba-do, boot up.
Hey guys, welcome to the weirdest and happiest place on YouTube. I'm so sorry for the harsh lighting. The sun is just glaring right now. I really don't know how to fix it. Also, kind of making my face glow, and I'm super obsessed with my makeup today. I don't know what I did, but it just looks so good. I just took like a million selfies when I was supposed to be filming, and now it looks like I have a mustache. Whatever, we're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna show you all how I've been styling my short hair. My hair is kind of like wavy right now, so I don't need to use that much heat, not on a daily basis. But when I do either of these two things that I'm gonna be showing you all. Okay, this lighting is way better. So I don't know if I've mentioned this before on my channel, but my natural hair is really thick, frizzy and curly, and that just really did not work with my short hair. I really love my curls, but together it was just not a good combo. So I got this kind of like Brazilian Sistine, not exactly Sistine, it's called QOB. It's kind of like this protein hair treatment, and it doesn't really make your hair straight, which I didn't really want my hair stick straight. Basically it just removes all the frizz and makes your hair more tameable. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up for more hair videos. What is this? This is not a thumbs up. This is a thumbs up. Make sure you give it. And yeah, let's hop right into it. For the most part, I've been styling my hair with heat in two ways. It's pretty basic. I just go over it with a flat iron. And before I started filming, I did put this like Primrose heat protectant oil. It's kind of like a heat protectant spray, but like in an oil form, so keeps those dry ends out. You can see how easy it is to straighten my hair since I got this treatment. Roughly go all around my head with this. Make it as straight and sleek as possible. If you couldn't tell, the first kind of look that I usually go for is sleek hair. Totally inspired by like the Kardashians, especially with like a blunt cut, which is what I have. What is up with the lighting? Okay. So once I've just gone around my whole head and I have kind of like this really sleek looking thing, I usually just wear my hair like this. I think like the straight sleek hair look is just so cute. As I mentioned before, I don't use heat on my hair every day. If I do use heat, I usually just use it the day I wash my hair. So when I do flat iron my hair, I think the first 1 or 2 days I just leave it like this, because this is a look in itself. But as it starts getting more like greasy and oily, I do like to do a few different hairstyles. I'm just going to show you all my go-to hairstyles. I always do. Obviously you can part your hair whichever way you like. I just think again with a sleek look, a middle part just looks so good. Just take like the front part of your head, tuck it behind your ear, and I'm just gonna bobby pin it so it stays in place, and then kind of take the rest of your hair and get it in the front. And the same with the other side. It isn't even much of a hairstyle, but I think this looks so chic, classy, edgy. It goes with almost all looks, and as you can see, it's so easy to do. You don't even need like any time at all. Just tuck your hair behind your ears. Next hairstyle, again, I've probably shown this like a million times, but it's just another version of this. I just get all my hair behind and tie it. Obviously you can take out a few pieces. If your hair is ever just too oily and you have nothing to do with it but you still want to look a bit put together, this is like my go-to hairstyle. And I mean, you can wear this either as a bun or as a ponytail, whatever you would like. I think it complements like hoops so well, so if you're someone who wears hoops a lot, totally recommend trying this out. This is definitely my go-to look, but whenever I do have a little extra time and I want to like try out something different, I love doing kind of like these effortless looking waves. It's just fun to kind of change it up a bit. I use this curling wand, is it? The curls that I'm going for are a little more loose, so I do like to do this in smaller sections just because the curls last way longer when you do that. It doesn't really have to be perfect. I kind of just pick up like random sections that I think need it and do it. And as I go to the back of my head, I like to only take like the bottom sections and curl them. Also, make sure you're curling your hair away from your head. As you can see, the curls are very like unstructured, not like intentional at all. Really loose and fun. And to make sure they stay kind of like in place, I like to spray the Not Your Mother's Beach Texturizing Spray, and this just gives it like a little extra something. And do you see that? That just added like so much more than just plain flat hair. So for the first hairstyle with kind of this beachy wave look, you will need bobby pins. And I'll take the section, not the front section, but the one right behind it, above your ear and at the back of your head. And you kind of want to make sure you're making like a U behind. Something with this side. And why are 3 of these like... Ow! Oh my god. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. It's so cute and girly. This is totally my vibe. And for the last quick hair fix of this video, it's honestly just 2 little braids, but I like to make them like super loose and messy. But I think this looks so adorable. I used to hate wearing my hair in braids because I was always forced to do it in school, and it was just not a cute thing. But now that I'm out of school, it's actually kind of growing on me. Oh, it's like a cute little look. Every time I wear this, I imagine it with like overalls, and then I can imagine myself on a farm milking cows. This is again so like convenient. It just gets your hair out of your face, but it still looks super cute. It adds more like something to your outfit. And that is basically all my go-tos when it comes to my short hair. As you can see, I'm having like so much fun with my short hair, and I'm actually like experimenting and trying out with so many different looks that I never thought I would do. Example, these braids. Yeah. But if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah, and I will see you all next time. Bye. I'm so sorry for the lighting again. I don't know what's wrong.
You until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah.
Whoa, okay, what is up? Whoa. Okay, see, the sun just went out. Now you can actually see me. Hello. For the most part, I've been styling. Ow. Shouldn't have done that.